Hello, I got your question here about on 8.1. I guess it's like number 7. You know, the mean was given 91 words per minute. The standard deviation was given. Standard deviation for the sample was the equal standard deviation over square root of the sample size, and sample size on part F was given as 20, and so that works out to be roughly 2.236. And so I'm drawing a picture here about part F. The mean is 91. Standard deviation is about 2.23. I guess that's a 6 there. We want to find x here when the area to the right was 0.05. So I just used a calculator, inverse norm. Now I did put in 0.95. That's this area to the left. I was using the left, which is the default. Then you need to put in mu, which is 91. Then the standard deviation, and I'm using left, paste and hit calculate. Now I already did that, and I come out to a little over 94, well, almost 95 words per minute. Hope this helps.